Here we come to the brown elevators at the MD Anderson Library at University of Houston, Texas. These are just exactly like the current elevators on the blue side. Chime rings twice for up. Same exact cab like on the blue elevators. I don't know what brand this used to be. I think these either used to be US, because I clearly remember this used to have a disappearing floor number, but it's got the EPCO SSL VR fixtures, so they're not totally original. Look at that sensor. Just your basic cab, nothing exciting. I might put it in both before and after video at some point. Anyways, I'm gonna send this up and I'll get the other elevator card. The middle elevator car is unfortunately broken. See, these are the brown elevators in case you guys don't know. Chime needs a lot of work and the other elevator's already broken. Wow, these things shake. Your floor? Yeah, I know this thing. I was just on it. It was like shaking. Yeah. I think must have been something in the guide rail. Something is. Yeah, I know. It was just wobbly. Yeah, I know. It's kind of wobbly. Anyways, see. I don't know. Do y'all know what kind of elevator this original was installed based on this door track? Anyways, there's your cab. Same thing. Watch it close. All right, there it goes. And those are all the 3 elevators at the MD Anderson. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.